what is happening to the economy globally, recession, and how pharma industry is actually recession free. Is that an okay topic to discuss with you guys?
Yes.
So if that is an okay topic to discuss with you guys, then what I will do is walk you through some frames that I put together, which gives you an indication as to how to structure the thought process. The data is not important. The data is not as important as what are the aspects that we need to look at when you want to make a decision. Do you agree that there is a recession?
Yeah, they're coming out of recession, right?
Any reasons why? Why we are out of recession is, many reasons for it. We are quite stable, our currency is quite stable, right? Why is it so stable?
So we are making use of all the resources that we have. So
Okay, one could be the way we are dependent on agricultural versus services versus manufacturing, right? There's a good admixture there actually, and our agriculture is doing quite well. And you will find that the impact of all the three segments which drives industry is okay and very well balanced within the country, which we will see through a few frames. What does it do? It really releases a lot of money in the hands of wider population of our own Indians, which is what is driving the industry. From a pharma professional perspective, I just wanted to explain to you how I will look at India as a market. Yeah, is there a prognosis which tells me that I can invest more and be successful in the pharmaceutical industry? What are the factors? What are the elements that I need to look at? Yeah. The first thing is to look at the GDP, and then we say that India today is here, but it is expected to become the third largest economy in a few years. And it has a remarkable demographic potential. What do I mean by demographic potential? One is working population. You can look at males, females, you can look at age, you can look at income, you can look at education. Yeah? There are a lot of remarkable advantages with the Indian population. And as compared to the other countries, there are some economic indicators, there are some other indicators which tells me that the pharma industry is going to be extremely good. You look at this, life expectancy is the highest in India, not the highest, amongst the highest. So you can look at what possible potential that you can look at, and whether this industry is going to be ever coming under a recession. No way. Health industry will not come under a recession. Yeah.